Backflip a tricycle. This is definitely the hardest out of all of them. This is terrible. All right, let's do it, boys.
Whenever you're ready, my friend.
We're here at Woodward again, doing dumb stuff.
What are you here today to do, Nigel? What did we come all the way back to Woodward for you to do?
Backflip a tricycle. I'm gonna do a few on a bike though, just to be safe. What you thinking, Gabe? Airbag or resi? Which one you want?
You know, after seeing how good you did it before this, I think resi.
And don't worry, guys. For the tricycle, I have a full face helmet.
It is dangerous.
It is dangerous.
It's heavy.
Yeah, it is heavy.
Nigel, I think it's possible, dude.
Yeah. Why do we do these things? Like, why?
Why not?
I don't know. Backflips are fun though. It's weird that I really enjoy these and I find them fairly easy, but they are absolutely terrifying. It's so fun, like all of it. But the whole thought of just being upside down and everything is like absolutely terrifying. I'm gonna throw a 360 and then I'll do a backflip.
Dude, that rollout was sick.
Yeah, I like bike. I like all action sports. I'm gonna put this on the record so that everybody can yell at you.
Me?
Yep.
Why?
Because I got my buddy that has a boat and he wants us to go out and wakeboard. Okay. Backflip a wake and then get you guys on wakeboards and wake skates.
Yeah.
Leave it in the comments below if you want to see that.
I like that.
One more airbag and then resin.
All right, Nigel, go ahead. You got those on lock?
Yeah, I guess you could say that. No. I'm gonna do it on here. Okay. And then grab the helmet and start hucking them, I guess.
Pull us in. You good?
Yeah, I got pedal smacked. Ugh. Oh, that hurt. Ugh. That's why bikers wear shin guards.
Nigel, I think you just go to the trike.
Yeah. You see my leg? It's probably like super bleeding now. Oh yeah, I can feel it. Whoa.
Oh.
That's like from the pedals. That's why bikers wear the shin guards. We Gucci.
That was scary.
Do I think this is possible? Maybe. Do I think I can do it? Doubtful, but that's nothing I can do. I have to go for it. What else am I gonna do? Oh no, there's no way. All right, see how that goes.
Oh my God.
You got air, Nigel. You got air, dude. You got a good amount.
What did that look like?
I gotta admit, it was one of the most ridiculous things I've ever seen in my life. Yes.
Well, I guess I'll just huck it, right?
Don't be negative, Dan. I know he can do it.
No, he's got it. He's definitely got that first try.
Gabe says I can do it.
I think you can.
Yeah.
Full send, Nigel. I think you gotta do the seating thing like he said. Just tuck it in.
All right, Doug. Backflip and a trike. Oh no!
Oh no!
It's so hard!
Oh no!
Oh! Yo! I gotta stand on the back, dude! There's no... Bro, I literally like... Bro, I'm pulling so hard, my neck cracked. You might hear it! You might hear it in the mic. My neck fully went...
I missed like, he went too high, so I missed some of it, but I got the most important part. Watch the head movement. Yay!
I can't, dude.
Yeah. No. I guess I gotta wait. I mean,
yeah, wait.
I went too early.
I don't really even know how.
Wait, let me.
I already know I'm gonna end up upside down just because I can't pelvic thrust it.
This. I think you gotta scoot the seat like all the way back so that when you lean back, you got more like leverage, and then once you get up like that, you gotta scoot all the way forward.
That's not gonna work.
I think honestly, I just think that you tried to pull back too early.
I think that the seat is like too far forwards because look, you're pulling back that hard.
I pulled.
And it's like not, it's not going anywhere.
I pulled hard. All right, well.
Worst case, you can try standing.
I mean, it still counts, right?
Yeah, of course. It's on a trike. Any flip that you do on a trike that you roll away on, it counts.
All right. Pretty sure my leg's like just bleeding. That's okay. Standing up like this? That is terrifying. This is absolutely terrifying.
You got it, dude.
Bro, it's hard. It is hard. It is very hard. I guess I pulled too early, but at the same time, like I pulled. I should have at least like went back more than I did, and I didn't. Like, this is terrible. All right, you know what? I'm just gonna stand up.
Stand it.
I feel like it's gonna be 5 times as scary, 2.5 times as easy.
Try it.
Only 2?
Give it a shot.
I guess. We'll see on this one. Why did I agree to all this? I just... This is scary. This is scary. All right, whatever.
So what, you think it's possible after that?
Yeah, I just gotta stop being a weenie. Same as a bike, I guess, right?
Full send.
This helmet's dope, though.
That looked a lot easier, though.
It was. I just got scared. I'll be honest, I got scared. Travis Pastrana, if for some reason you ever see this, teach me how to backflip a motorcycle. That's my end goal for all of this. I just want to slowly step it up.
Can I be honest with you? I don't think motorcycle should be the end game.
What do you think?
I
Car?
think you get full aviation pilot license and do a backflip in a stunt plane.
I would be so down.
Like,
I will pay for the courses to do that. I will gladly do that. Be
can a
pilot,
skateboarder backflip an airplane?
backflip an airplane, backflip a golf cart.
Oh, stay away from golf carts.
I just can't be a weenie. I gotta hold on to it.
Full send around here.
It's full.
You got a tiger eye, brother. The camera got so afraid of his tiger eyes, it went out of focus.
All right, here's my tiger eyes right here. Ready?
That's disgusting.
I don't think that your feet can stay on the trike like that. I think they always fly off.
Maybe we could put grip tape on it.
Let's take bets on where the trike goes.
He's
You
landing
think
it.
it lands over
Yeah,
there?
I think he's landing it.
You think it lands in the bag?
I think he's landing a backflip. Let's try.
Lands it?
Yeah.
On the wheels.
Yeah. All right, Nigel. Let's get it, brother. Tiger eyes.
You're right.
See?
Yeah.
What?
He said that you weren't going to do it, and I said 100% he's backflipping this try.
Yeah. Gabe knows me very well.
So I have one more question for you.
Yes.
Do you want to put grip tape on the leg?
Kind of, but at the same time, without grip tape, a little more sketchy, a little bit more pleasing.
All right. Whatever you want to do, my friend. I know for a fact you can do it now, though.
Yeah. I hope. Hey, Gabe.
Yeah.
Do you think this is the first backflip on this style drift trike
Yes, it is.
ever?
It's got to be.
Maybe. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. There's some lunatics out there.
You're one of them.
Yeah!
Oh, done.
All
Done.
right, let's do it, boys.
That was a whole unit of a flip right there.
Woo! All right, guys. I guess we throw it, right?
I think we do it. You do the exact same thing. Wait, how are you going to
Exactly. Exactly.
Start up there, have Doug push
No,
you.
I'm just gonna push from the back and go on this one. And if I could do it on this, I'll do this one more time. If I have enough to rotate, then we're good. The only thing is, with this, do you see how it's the same height as the airbag? I literally have to be all the way around because that's solid. The airbag sinks in.
I got greens, beans, potatoes.
And you know what? If I find a scooter, since y'all was saying that don't count, if there's a scooter here, I'm a backflip right here. First try, just for y'all haters. Hopefully have the same amount of speed.
Yeah, I think you just huck it, dude. That was perfect.
All right. There's something about this that's just so comfortable. And then there's that. I don't think people will ever understand unless you do it.
No.
Like, it's so comforting because you can only get hurt so much on here. It sinks in. All right, whatever. I guess we just huck it, right?
Yep.
This is the nerve-wracking part. I try and stay confident for the fans, but deep down, I'd be terrified.
You got this, Nigel. That was it. How was that?
Hot pocket.
Again?
We're good. That hurts for a little bit. Feel the rhythm. Feel the run. Did I look knocked out?
You were flipping fine.
I pulled that one.
I think the only thing you got to do is just try to be as soft as you can on the landing because your foot's just sliding off. So if you just get that fast flick or that flip, and then you have all the time to just set up your feet to land it, I think you'll get it next try. But it's all just about that soft landing.
All right. Oh, that's so upsetting. Dude, this handlebar is so bent.
Here it is, Nigel. This is the one.
Oh my gosh! Come on. This one's hard, dude. Like, really hard. I wish it was a lot easier to sit in and do it. I wonder if we somehow make it so, like, the seat is springy. If that'll help, like, me, like, push. I feel like it would. I don't know why.
Right here. You alright? You alright?
The trike's done, brother.
What do you mean?
Trike's done.
Is it? Well, we'll fix it and do it again.
I don't care about the trike. Are you alright?
Yeah, fine.
Here's your problem. You have shark wheels on a trike.
To the shop, see what we can work out. I need to land this, man. This is definitely the hardest out of all of them. Like, 100%. So, we're back, round 2. The first one, I bent the tire. Threw on a new tire. It's smaller, so I really feel like I'm gonna bend this one. I'm gonna do two on the air, and then go from there. Ah! It's scary every time. All right, round 2. All right, we got it.
Shift that weight forward right on landing, and you got it.
All right.
I believe it. You got it, brother!
No! I just realized it doesn't even have pedals. No pedals, no brakes. Full send, brother. I gotta do another one. I kind of have a bad feeling about doing another one. I got a bad feeling about throwing another one, so I think I'm gonna keep it at that, just that one, and they can yell at me on YouTube about it. I don't even care. I want to do another one, but just not right now. That was terrifying. Oh my gosh. I was gonna do 2 to make it true, but I have a bad feeling about throwing another one. I'm just very stoked that I got that. I really wanted to do it sitting down, but that's a whole nother beast. Maybe next time. But I hope you guys like that. Some videos over here. Click them, share them, like them, subscribe, leave a comment below. Let us know what you want to see in the future. Back flips, front flips, whatever it is. See you in the next video.